Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue building forward as far as the LCU 2000 MOC goes. The front is pretty much done. Next I got to do the midsection, which is where most of your cargo will sit. Midsection should be just about as big as the front is here. It has the capability of holding, in real life, I think it's 4 semi-trucks with their tractor trailers behind them. So it will make the model look really big. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you all the parts for the build and then we'll get started. Here are all the parts that are needed for this part of the build. In case you're wondering, there are 1,467 parts here. Of this, there are 50 different unique parts. And this is going to be the most tile-intensive part of the build. There are 717 of these are tiles that I'm going to have to put on. So I thought there were a lot of tiles on the front main structure, but this one's got even more. Let's go ahead and get started with the build. Here is the completed mid deck or cargo deck of the LCU. Turned out pretty good, a lot of repetitive tile placements. These little guys here were a pain in the butt, so I put them on the brackets ahead of time, make it a little easier for me. This will actually be the front here with the black piece exposed. I think this with the bow would get me maybe 2/3, maybe half of the length of the LCU, but the majority of the building and bricks will actually be in the back of the boat, in the stern. I do have the Humvee on there just to show you what it looks like in there. Let me get another vehicle to give you a little more scale of what's on the deck. So the fuel truck is by NK Customs, the Humvee and the M1A2 are by Brickmania. I want to say there's another 4 or 5 inches of deck here in the front and about the same in the back for cargo to go on it. Unfortunately, the MOC is getting too big for the turntable. Even if I could get it on there with the front, it would be a little front heavy and wouldn't stay on. So from this point forward, I'll just show you the pieces themselves spinning, and then I'll put the MOC directly on the table and show you what it looks like together. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll be right back. So here's the front and the midsection or cargo deck put together. It's getting pretty big. Let me put this can of soda out here so you can kind of get an idea of how big it is. Change the angle of the camera a little bit so you could kind of see the tape measure. Where the front of the tape measure actually has the tape coming out is at the 4-foot mark, and currently the MOC is 42 inches long. There's the can of soda again for good measure. I will change the angle again so you can kind of look at it from the front a little bit, and we'll go from there. Here we are looking at it from the front right, or starboard if you're looking towards the front of the boat. I do have the ramp partially down. Let me see if we can get it down a little further for you. And there it is all the way down. Let's move around a little bit more towards the front. There's a good idea of what it looks like through the ramp area. And there's the other side. I hope you guys have been enjoying my build videos for this LCU MOC. If you have, please leave some comments, what you like about it or what you think could be changed in the comments below. Otherwise, please leave a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.